Dwarf minke whale, as the name suggests, is a smaller subspecies of common minke whale, reaching only 8 metres in length, around the size of a minibus. These small and rather cute whales are only known to be found throughout the southern hemisphere. In comparison to many of the larger baleen whale species, such as humpback whales, little is known of dwarf minke whale distribution and important habitat in Australian waters. Dwarf minke whales are most famously known off Queensland on the Great Barrier Reef. They are also known to occur off our coast here in Western Australia, particularly in the northwest marine region during their suspected breeding and calving seasons. However, no dedicated research has been undertaken on these whales off Western Australia until now. My research aims to improve our understanding of dwarf minke whale acoustic ecology and behaviour in Australian waters. Dwarf minke whales have unique colour patterns, setting them apart from other baleen whales. However, their small size, elusive nature, and often being mistaken for dolphins make minke whales difficult to detect and monitor from above the surface, particularly in offshore waters. Luckily for me, dwarf minke whales use sound to communicate. Off Western Australia, dwarf minke whales produce a unique vocalisation, which sounds like a boing noise, and when repeated, this forms their song. These boings can be heard over long distances and can help us to better understand their presence in an area at a given time. So, how do we capture their song? I use underwater microphones, known as hydrophones, installed on the sea floor to listen to the whales. Using these non-invasive methods, we can begin to understand dwarf minke whale migration timing, seasonal distribution, and habitat requirements off Western Australia, particularly in areas of increasing human activity. My research will put Western Australia's dwarf minke whales on the map. It will provide crucial biological and ecological information which will be useful to both government and industry. These findings will help us to improve conservation management and preserve one of the least understood species of whales in Australian waters.